नमस्कार दोस्तों। आज की क्लास में केजीएमयू एसजीपीजीआई डॉक्टर राम मनोहर लोहिया नर्सिंग ऑफिसर स्पेशल मेगा रिवीजन सीरीज के अंतर्गत नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ लोअर एयरवे डिसऑर्डर? राइनाइटिस, फेरेंजाइटिस, एस्थमा एंड laryngitis. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, एस्थमा लोअर एयरवे का डिसऑर्डर होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द इंपोर्टेंट नर्सिंग एक्शन ड्यूरिंग द इडिमेटस फेज ऑफ नेफ्रोटिक सिंड्रोम? मेटिकुलस स्किन केयर प्रदान करना, फ्लूइड इनटेक बढ़ाना, मरीज को मॉडरेट एक्टिविटी के लिए प्रेरित करना, प्रत्येक अल्टरनेट डे पर बच्चे का वजन लेना। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, मेटिकुलस स्किन केयर प्रदान करना। नेक्स्ट, जोन्स क्राइटेरिया आर यूज्ड फॉर द डायग्नोसिस ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? टीबी, एड्स, rheumatic fever, renal failure. Correct answer is option C, rheumatic fever. Next question, which of the following activities is an example of secondary prevention? A home health care nurse visits a patient's home to change dressing. The school health nurse provides a program to first year students. The patient attends cardiac rehabilitation sessions. A 50-year-old woman with no history of disease attends a routine screening. Correct answer is option 4. A 50-year-old woman with no history of disease attends a routine screening. Next question. What nursing care is provided ड्यूरिंग सीजर्स? सीजर्स के दौरान कौन सी नर्सिंग देखभाल की जाती है? एयरवे मेंटेन रखना, मरीज को एंटी कन्वल्जेंट दवाइयां देना, मरीज को चोट से बचाना, उपरोक्त सभी। करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन डी, यह सभी नर्सिंग केयर की जाती हैं सीजर्स के दौरान। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following investigations is not used for diagnosing neurological problems? EEG, CAT scan, ECG, lumbar puncture. Correct answer is option C, ECG. Next, which of the following is an example of an anticonvulsant medication? Insulin, ciprofloxacin, phenobarbital, Dexona. Correct answer is option C, phenobarbital. Next, what is the metabolic cause of coma, hypoxia, cerebral ischemia, infection, all of the above? Correct answer is option A, hypoxia. Next, what is the meaning of idiopathic disease? इडियोपैथिक बीमारी का क्या अर्थ है? जब बीमारी का वास्तविक कारण ज्ञात हो, जब बीमारी का वास्तविक कारण ज्ञात ना हो, जब बीमारी बहुत ज्यादा गंभीर हो, जब बीमारी संपूर्ण शरीर को प्रभावित करती हो। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, जब बीमारी का वास्तविक कारण ज्ञात ना हो, इसको इडियोपैथिक बीमारी कहा जाता है। नेक्स्ट, what will you do as a nurse to maintain the nutritional status of a comatose patient? Start oral feeding, give small meal frequently, give soft diet orally, start intravenous therapy. Correct answer is option D, start intravenous therapy. Next, when a fracture involves the entire bone, what is it called? Complete fracture, incomplete fracture, comminuted fracture, none of above. Correct answer is option A, complete fracture. Next, the primary test to identify Pseudomonas aeruginosa in the laboratory is nitrate reduction test, coagulase test, oxidase test, catalase test. Correct answer is option C, oxidase test. Next, which of the following components are transferred from mother to fetus through the placenta? RBC, WBC, platelets, immunoglobulin G. Correct answer is option D, immunoglobulin G. Next, asthma is a type of neurological disorder, cardiovascular disorder, intestinal disorder, respiratory disorder. Correct answer is option D, respiratory disorder. Next, which of the following fetal neonatal complications is associated with hypertensive disorders during pregnancy? Macrosomia, intrauterine growth restriction, delayed lung maturation, hypercalcemia. Correct answer is option B, intrauterine growth restriction. सिस्टोसील मीन्स, सिस्टोसील का अर्थ है यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में तरल पदार्थ का एकत्रित होना, ब्लैडर का नीचे खिसकना, ब्लैडर में इंफेक्शन होना, ब्लैडर की एट्रोफी होना। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, ब्लैडर का नीचे खिसकना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is a possible complication of repeated nebulization therapy in pediatric patients? बाल रोगियों में बार बार नेबुलाइजेशन चिकित्सा की संभावित जटिलता निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी है? ट्रेमर्स एंड टैकीकार्डिया, इंक्रीज्ड ब्लड प्रेशर, डिक्रीज्ड रेस्पिरेटरी रेट, डिक्रीज्ड हार्ट रेट। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, ट्रेमर्स एंड टैकीकार्डिया। बाल रोगियों में बार बार नेबुलाइजेशन चिकित्सा विशेषकर साल्ब्यूटामोल के उपयोग से ट्रेमर्स और टैकीकार्डिया जैसे साइड इफेक्ट देखे जा सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट, गुड न्यूट्रिशन हेल्प्स टू मेंटेन ओनली फिजिकल हेल्थ, ओनली मेंटल हेल्थ, ओनली बॉडी वेट, both physical and mental health? Correct answer is option D, both physical and mental health. Next, which of the following drugs is used in the treatment of hypertension? Diuretics, beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, all of above? Correct answer is option D, all of above. Next, which of the following is not a major manifestation of rheumatic fever? Chorditis, polyarthritis, chorea, fever? Correct answer is option D, fever. Next, the most common surgical procedure done for treatment is mastoidectomy, meningeectomy, tympanoplasty, ossiculoplasty? Correct answer is option B, myringotomy. Next, a patient is experiencing nausea and vomiting. What is the best nursing intervention? Advise the patient to rest, encourage deep breathing and cupping, Inform the doctor immediately. Administer the prescribed antiemetic drugs. Correct answer is option D. Administer the prescribed antiemetic drugs. Next, which of the following is a risk factor for colorectal cancer? Low fat and high fiber diet, high fat and low fiber diet, high dietary intake of vitamins, multiple sex partners. Correct answer is option B, high fat and low fiber diet. Next, which are included in the treatment plan of asthma? Maintain patent airway, maintain nutrition, maintain proper breathing pattern, all of above. Correct answer is option D, all of above. During hemodialysis, which drug is used to prevent blood clotting? Aspirin, warfarin, heparin, protamine. Correct answer is option C, heparin. Next, what is the best method to determine the oxygen requirement in a patient with COPD? By observing skin color, by assessing changes in vital signs, by asking the patient how they feel, by blood gas analysis. Correct answer is option D, by blood gas analysis. Next, removal of the entire lung is called lobectomy, pneumonectomy, gastrectomy, orchidectomy. Correct answer is option B, pneumonectomy. Next, hydrophobia is a symptom seen in which of the following patient? Ant bite, dog bite, snake bite, mosquito bite. Correct answer is option B, dog bite. Next, baroreceptors are sensitive to change in arterial blood pressure, blood volume, oxygen saturation, blood pH. Correct answer is option A, arterial blood pressure. Next, platelet count decreases in malaria, filariasis, dengue, typhoid. Correct answer is option C, dengue. The effect of a single dose of trimethoprim lasts for how many hours? 6 to 8 hours, 18 to 20 hours, greater than 20 hours, 12 to 16 hours. Correct answer is option D, 12 to 16 hours. Next question. What is the top priority treatment for ventricular fibrillation? ECG monitoring, proper positioning, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, catheterization. Correct answer is option C, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Next, which of the following best describes the role of paranasal sinuses in respiration? They filter and warm the air before it reaches the lung. They increase voice resonance and lighten the skull. They produce surfactant for efficient gas exchange. They regulate the pH of exhaled air. Correct answer is option B. They increase voice resonance and lighten the skull. Next, the method by which medication is administered into the eyes is known as intraocular administration, topical administration, insufflation, injection. Correct answer is option B, topical administration. Next, the unusual rash occurring on the trunk in rheumatic fever is called chorditis, erythema marginatum, chorea, arthritis. Correct answer is option B, erythema marginatum. Next, which is the most common brain tumor? Meningioma, glioma, pituitary adenoma, neurofibroma. Correct answer is option A, meningioma. Next question. Cause of anemia in chronic renal failure is deficiency of erythropoietin, hemolysis, production of immature RBCs, inappropriate renal functioning. Correct answer is option A, deficiency of erythropoietin. Next question. Cardiac glycosides like digitalis function to myocardial contractility को बढ़ाना, to increase cardiac output, to decrease impulse from AV node, and all of above. Correct answer is option D, all of above. Next, in which of the following conditions is gynecomastia not seen? Cirrhosis of liver, Klinefelter syndrome, long-term use of cimetidine, cryptorchidism. Correct answer is option D, cryptorchidism. Treatment of choice for angle closure glaucoma is surgical, laser iridotomy, medical, timolol, trabeculoplasty, none of above. Correct answer is option A, surgical. Next, if a foreign body is lodged in a child's respiratory passage, what is the most common symptom? Vomiting, cough, wheezing, cyanosis. Correct answer is option B, cough. Next question. Which of the following is a complication of chronic pancreatitis? Diabetes mellitus, duodenal obstruction, portal hypertension, all of above. Correct answer is option D, all of above. Next, during the third stage of labor, the patient experiences intermittent discomfort in the lower abdomen during placental expulsion. This is due to dilation of vagina, episiotomy, distension of bladder, uterine contraction. Correct answer is option D, uterine contraction. Next, what is the most definite diagnostic method for pulmonary embolism? Pulmonary angiography, CT scan, MRI, positron emission tomography. Correct answer is option A, pulmonary angiography. In children with chronic hydrocephalus, which cranial nerve abnormality is commonly seen? Tongue deviation, facial paralysis, sunset eyes, cranial nerve 6, loss of smell, cranial nerve 1. Correct answer is option C, sunset eyes. Next, an endogamous group associated with traditional occupations is caste, property, class, slavery. Correct answer is option A, caste. Next question. Which brain tumor typically presents with multiple well-defined lesions located at the graphite matter junction? Medulloblastoma, metastatic brain tumor, oligodendroglioma, ependydoma. Correct answer is option 2, metastatic brain tumor. The district mental health program team typically includes all of the following except a neurosurgeon, a psychiatrist, a psychiatric social worker, a clinical psychologist. Correct answer is option 1. A neurosurgeon is not included in district mental health program team. Next, if a patient decides to leave the hospital against medical advice, Lama, what is the purpose of the form they must sign? यदि कोई मरीज चिकित्सा सलाह के विरुद्ध अस्पताल छोड़ता है तो उसे जो फॉर्म भरना होता है उसका उद्देश्य क्या है? टू लीगली रिलीज द डॉक्टर एंड हॉस्पिटल फ्रॉम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर द पेशेंट्स कंडीशन, to reflect the patient's wishes, to use if patient returns for readmission, to ethically indicate that patient can take care of self. Correct answer is option 1. To legally release the doctor and hospital from responsibility for the patient's condition. चिकित्सक और अस्पताल को मरीज की स्थिति की कानूनी जिम्मेदारी से मुक्त करना. Next, what is a risk factor for hypercalcemia? हाइपरकैल्सीमिया का एक जोखिम कारक है माल एब्जॉर्प्शन, सेप्सिस, अल्कोहल, प्रोलॉन्ग इमोबिलाइजेशन. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4, प्रोलॉन्ग इमोबिलाइजेशन. लंबे समय तक स्थिर रहना. लंबे समय तक स्थिर रहने पर हड्डियों से कैल्शियम निकलता है जिससे रक्त में कैल्शियम की मात्रा बढ़ जाती है. नेक्स्ट, इन चाइल्ड गाइडेंस क्लिनिक्स एन इंपोर्टेंट कंपोनेंट ऑफ पेरेंटल एजुकेशन इज. बाल निर्देशन क्लिनिक में माता पिता की शिक्षा का एक महत्वपूर्ण घटक है. अवॉइडिंग इंटरैक्शन विद फैमिली, giving the child independence, strengthening family interaction, isolating the child. Correct answer is option 3, strengthening family interaction. पारिवारिक अन्योन्य क्रिया को मजबूत करना. Next question, which of the following can inhibit the formation of myometrial gap junction? निम्नलिखित में से कौन मायोमेट्रियल गैप जंक्शन के निर्माण को रोक सकता है? ऑक्सीटोसिन, प्रोजेस्टेरॉन, एस्ट्रोजन, प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिन्स. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2, प्रोजेस्टेरॉन. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट ए कॉज ऑफ हाइपोकैलेमिया? निम्न में से हाइपोकैलेमिया का कारण नहीं है. वॉमिटिंग, पोटेशियम वास्टिंग डायूरेटिक्स, एल्डोस्टेरोनिज्म, किडनी फेल्योर. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, किडनी फेल्योर. किडनी फेल्योर में शरीर पोटेशियम को बाहर नहीं निकाल पाता है जिससे हाइपरकैलेमिया होता है, ना कि हाइपोकैलेमिया. नेक्स्ट, in which of the following conditions is weight loss not seen? निम्न में से किस स्थिति में वजन में कमी नहीं होती है? हाइपरथायराइडिज्म, एनोरेक्सिया नर्वोसा, कैंसर, इंसुलिनोमा। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, इंसुलिनोमा। हाइपरथायराइडिज्म, एनोरेक्सिया नर्वोसा और कैंसर में शरीर की ऊर्जा जरूरतें बढ़ जाती हैं या भोजन कम होने से वजन कम हो जाता है। हाइपरथायराइडिज्म में थायराइड हार्मोन की अधिकता से मेटाबॉलिज्म बढ़ता है, जिससे वजन कम हो जाता है। एनोरेक्सिया नर्वोसा एक मानसिक विकार है जिसमें व्यक्ति जानबूझकर कम खाता है, जिससे वजन कम हो जाता है। कैंसर के कई प्रकारों में कैंसर कोशिकाएं शरीर से पोषण छीन लेती हैं, जिससे वजन घटना नॉर्मल है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ चॉइस फॉर ओपन एंगल ग्लूकोमा इज। ओपन एंगल ग्लूकोमा के लिए प्राथमिक उपचार क्या है? सर्जिकल, मेडिकल, ट्रेबिकुलोप्लास्टी, नन ऑफ एबव। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, मेडिकल, जैसे टीमोलॉल। ओपन एंगल ग्लूकोमा में आंख के अंदर का दबाव, इंट्राऑक्यूलर प्रेशर धीरे धीरे बढ़ता है। इसका पहला और सबसे आम ट्रीटमेंट मेडिकल थेरेपी है, जिसमें बीटा ब्लॉकर जैसे टाइमोलॉल ड्रॉप्स का उपयोग होता है, जो दबाव कम करते हैं। लेजर इरिडोटमी मुख्यतः क्लोज्ड एंगल ग्लूकोमा के लिए होता है, जहां अचानक दबाव बढ़ता है। ट्रेबेकुलोप्लास्टी एक लेजर प्रक्रिया है जो तभी दी जाती है जब दबाव से नियंत्रण ना हो। इसलिए सबसे पहले दवाइयां दी जाती हैं और जरूरत पड़ने पर सर्जरी की जाती है। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ काइनेस्टॉप रेस्पिरेशन? पीरियड्स ऑफ टैकीपनिया अल्टरनेटिंग विद एपनिया, periods of hypopnea alternating deep regular wheezing respiration, increased rate of respiration. Correct answer is option A, periods of tachypnea alternating with apnea. काइन स्टॉप रेस्पिरेशन एक विशेष प्रकार का श्वसन पैटर्न है जिसमें श्वास तेज होती है और फिर अचानक रुक जाती है। पहले टैकीपनिया की कंडीशन होती है और अचानक इसमें एपनिया की कंडीशन हो जाती है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बिफोर पैरासेंटेसिस व्हाट शुड द नर्स एडवाइस अ पेशेंट विद एसाइटिस? एसाइटिस के मरीज को पैरासेंटेसिस से पहले नर्स क्या सलाह देती है? रिमेन एनपीओ फॉर 24 आवर्स, 24 घंटे तक कुछ ना खाएं। एम्प्टी ब्लैडर, मूत्राशय को खाली करें। सुपाइन पोजीशन, पीठ के बल लेटना। ईट लो फैट मील, कम वसा वाला भोजन करें। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, एम्प्टी ब्लैडर, मूत्राशय को खाली करें। नेक्स्ट, which of the following is not a toxin mediated infection? निम्न में से कौन सा संक्रमण टॉक्सिन मीडिएटेड नहीं है? टेटनस, बॉटुलिज्म, मलेरिया, कॉलरा। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, मलेरिया। What advice should the nurse give at discharge to a patient with permanent colostomy? Reduce activity and exercise, avoid daily walking, take bland and low residue diet, periodic stomach dilation. Correct answer is option C, take bland and low residue diet. Next, decreased CSF glucose concentration is a characteristic feature of which disease? Bacterial meningitis, viral meningitis, multiple sclerosis, epilepsy. Correct answer is option A, bacterial meningitis. Next question. Which of the following is a sign of portal hypertension? Esophageal varices, splenomegaly, ascites, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of above. Next, repeated vomiting causes which biochemical abnormality? Metabolic acidosis, metabolic alkalosis, uremia, septicemia. Correct answer is option B, metabolic alkalosis. Next, pain at McBurney spine is a symptom of which disease? Jaundice, gastritis, appendicitis, intestinal obstruction. Correct answer is option D, option C, appendicitis. In leprosy patients, which sensation is lost first? Temperature, pain, touch, deep pressure. Correct answer is option A, temperature. Next, what is the classical clinical feature of hepatic coma? Clay-colored stools, bluish sclera, flapping hand tremors, increased level of cholesterol. Correct answer is option C, flapping hand tremors. Next, for which condition is barium meal test done? Large intestine obstruction, gastric outlet obstruction, colon cancer, acute pancreatitis. Correct answer is option B, gastric outlet obstruction. After total ankle replacement surgery, which of the following activities should the patient avoid? Abduction exercise, weight bearing on affected leg for 6 weeks, lifting heavy object, sleeping on the back. Correct answer is option B. After total ankle replacement, patients are generally advised not to put weight on the operated leg for several weeks to allow proper healing of the prosthesis and surrounding bone. Next, what is the energy released from the complete combustion of 1 gram of food called? Basal metabolic rate, specific dynamic action, calorific value, calorie. Correct answer is option C, calorific value. Calorific value refers to the amount of energy released when 1 gram of food substance is completely burned. Next question. The study of cells obtained by fine needle aspiration from superficial or deep-seated lesions for diagnostic purposes is known as option A, molecular pathology, B, cytopathology, C, medical genetics, and D, hematology. Correct answer is option B, cytopathology. Cytopathology is the branch of pathology that studies individual cells extracted through fine needle aspiration, especially for diagnosing tumors and infections. Next question. Which nutrient is essential for the growth and repair of body tissues? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and minerals. Correct answer is option C, proteins. Next, which method is used to study the cells and components present in blood? Cytopathology, hematology, immunology, and pathology. Correct answer is option B, hematology. Next, what is the structure called that connect bone to each other? Ligaments, tendons, cartilage, muscles. Correct answer is option A, ligaments. Next, the type of reasoning in which specific conclusions are drawn from general principles is called analogical reasoning, deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, abductive reasoning. Correct answer is option B, deductive reasoning. Next, which year did the Right to Information Act come into force? 2002 AD, 2003 AD, 2004 AD, and 2005 AD. Correct answer is option D, 2005 AD. Which one is called the powerhouse of the cell? Nucleus, ribosome, lysosome, mitochondria. Correct answer is option D, mitochondria. Next, main symptom of pemphigus is red spots, Lewis spots, small vesicles, large vesicles. Correct answer is option D, large vesicles. Next, which teeth are used for crushing and grinding food? Canine, incisor, molar, premolar. Correct answer is option C, molar. Next, chickenpox is caused by which infectious agent? Fungi, bacteria, virus, protozoa. Correct answer is option C, virus. Next, feeling of fetus movement by mother is known as ballotment, Palmer sign, Hager sign, quickening. Correct answer is option D, quickening. Next, which one is known as the Great Circle? Equator, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Correct answer is option A, equator. Next, what kind of substances cannot permeate membranes by passive diffusion? Lipid soluble substance, non-ionized substance, hydrophobic substances, hydrophilic substances. Correct answer is option D, hydrophilic substances. Next, pharmacodynamics involves the study of following except biology and therapeutic effect of drugs, absorption and distribution of drugs, mechanism of drug action, drug interactions. Correct answer is option B, absorptions and distribution of drugs. Next, tolerance and drug resistance can be a consequence of drug dependence, increased metabolic degradation, depressed renal drug excretion, activation of a drug after hepatic first pass effect. Correct answer is option A, drug dependence. Next, what is the function of blood vessels and capillaries? They pump blood to the heart. They filter impurities from the blood. They carry blood to all parts of the body. They carry blood and nutrients to the muscles. Correct answer is option C, They carry blood to all parts of the body. Next, what is a specialized nerve cell? Neuron, axon, dendrites, nucleus. Correct answer is option A, neuron. Next question. What is the role of Indian Nursing Council in the nursing profession? To provide nursing registration, to provide jobs to nurses, to regulate nursing programs, to conduct nursing examinations. Correct answer is option C, to regulate nursing programs. Next question. Which laboratory test is used to monitor the disease progression and immune status in HIV positive patient? CD4 plus T cell count, HIV viral load, complete blood count, liver function test. Correct answer is option A, CD4 plus T cell count. Next, foods rich in carbohydrates and fats are called protective, regulatory, bodybuilding, energy yielding. Correct answer is option D, energy yielding. Next, in a scenario where multiple trauma patients arrive simultaneously and have bone injuries, which ethical principle guides the allocation of resources? Justice, beneficence, autonomy, fidelity. Correct answer is option A, justice. Next, what is a key performance indicator in orthopedic nursing that should be monitored regularly? Gender distribution of patients, functional improvement from admission to discharge, overall hospital mortality rate, number of lab test orders. Correct answer is option B, functional improvement from admission to discharge. Next, chronic gout is characterized by multiple joint involvement with the presence of podagra, versi, tophi, pain. Correct answer is option C, tophi. Next question. All of the following are management options for hemolytic disease of the newborn due to Rh incompatibility except antibiotics, immunoglobulins, exchange transfusion, phototherapy. Correct answer is option A, antibiotics. Next, in a partograph, the pulse is recorded every 30 minutes and marked with PR, cross, arrow, dot. Correct answer is option D, dot. Next, the process by which the placental side heals during the puerium is called granulation, decidual shedding, cicatrization, regeneration. Correct answer is option D, regeneration.